Hello, Freedom Finders. I am Farrah, and this is Finding Freedom with Farrah. If this is your first time here, I want to thank you for joining us. And if you're coming back, welcome back. Today, I'm going to take you on a Spark delivery ride. This is a long day for me. I'm doing delivery driving today, going to the pantry later on, and then I have a class tonight. So let's see what we can get in today. Let's go. We finally got an order. It's 12:06. Finally got an order. It's for 1981, going 12 miles. It's 3 drop-offs. This is actually going pretty close to my house. So tempted to just go home, but I'm gonna try to stick it out for the rest of the day since I got this order. Maybe they'll send some more through, hopefully, because we need to get a little money in our pocket for this week, because this week has not been our best week for delivery driving. I made some money doing some other things, but delivery driving hasn't been my best week. So we're gonna do this order and hopefully some more will come through. If not, we'll see what the day brings us. Let's see what adventure we have with this order. Let's go. Okay, then pulled the hair back because it's a bit hot outside. And we are all loaded up and we're heading to our first drop off. This one is 13 minutes away. So let's see what this brings us. Hopefully good luck. So that last one wasn't too bad, and we're off to the next stop. It's 11 minutes away. It's in a different city. It has some complicated instructions, so let's see if we can figure it out. It says the GPS doesn't take you to the right place. But let's see if we can find it and get these people's groceries delivered. Let's go. So that was an interesting drop off. This is like a little day school. There's little elementary school kids in there, little preschool kids. And I had to pull out the wagon because there was some dog or cat food. It was a huge thing of it. And it was a relatively easy drop off, and it was not hard to find. They left going to our next stop, and it is about 5 minutes away. And let's see what adventure we get into there. Let's go.
In 600 feet, your destination.
So all 3 of those drop-offs were relatively easy, which I am thankful for, and I am so tempted to go home because I am literally like 2 minutes, not even 2 minutes from my house, but I'm gonna carry my butt back to the store. I'm gonna drive past my house and go back to the store. It's 12:54 p.m. and I got about 3.5 hours before I go to the pantry. So I'm gonna try to get this work in and not go to the house, even though There's tons of stuff I need to be doing there, but we're gonna put this delivery driving first. So after sitting here for quite a while, I got a shopping trip, $24.17, going 5 miles. It's shopping for 23 items, but for 2 different people. It'll probably take me maybe 15-20 minutes to shop this, and then we'll get it there. And I'll probably have one more, or I'll have time for one more before the pantry. Maybe not, but let's go ahead and get this started. So I'm finally done shopping, and it wasn't too bad, and our first drop off is 11 minutes away. So let's see what adventure this brings. Alright, that was not too bad. Having a pretty uneventful day, which is always lovely. This one is only, the next stop is only 3 minutes away. So let's get to that and get back to see if we can get one more order before we go to the pantry today. Let's go.
Your destination is on the right.
So that last order wasn't too bad. It was a quick drop off, and now I'm heading back to the store to see if I can get one more order before I go to the pantry. If I do, I'll let you guys see it. If not, I'll come back and close the video, and then my next video will be my pantry. So you guys, we did end up getting another order. It's for $19.79, going 10.5 miles. This one has an apartment in it, so hopefully it's not a whole lot of stuff going to that apartment. But this will be my last order of the day, and then I'll be heading over to the pantry, and then I'll show you guys the pantry haul in the next video. So we got it loaded, and our first one is 10 minutes away. Let's go. So that was an easy drop off. I rang the doorbell because they had a bunch of popsicles and ice cream, but nobody ever came to the door, so I just left it. Hopefully they will get it and their stuff won't melt, and then they won't complain. But the next stop is 5 minutes away. Okay, one more. So this one is the apartment, and I'm hoping it is downstairs. It might not be. It's not a whole lot of stuff, and I probably can go ahead and carry it, but now here comes the challenge. I'm in front of the building, but there's like a million apartments and it doesn't tell you exactly where they are. So I'm gonna get out and find it. I decided to take you guys with me as I go explore. So I'm guessing it's on the second floor. So that wasn't as hard as I thought it would be. It was pretty easy to find it. And that is my last stop. And I'm going to head to the pantry. Today wasn't too bad. How much do you guys think we made today? Put it in the comments. How much do you think? We made $63.77. We did 3 trips and it was probably about 5 or 6 hours. I don't know. Most of my day was waiting, so that sucks a whole lot. But my little nugget for today is that I found freedom and that it was a relatively easy day. Like, I didn't have any accidents. I was able to find this apartment easy. Did not make the money that I wanted to make, but I made some money. So I'm going to be grateful for that. And that is all for today. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to go to the pantry and one of my next videos, I don't know if this is going to be the exact next one, but you'll see what I get in my haul because I'll tape that too. And thank you guys so much. I love you. I love you, love you, love you. Please like, share, and subscribe. My last video that I just posted did so well. Like, please, please, please. Thank you so much for your support. I genuinely love you guys. Bye-bye.